Okay, so in the other video I showed you how to go into Chirp and program one of these radios. This is one we already have put together and ready to go, so I'm going to set it up and turn it on and plug it into the USB on the back of this, which is basically the same thing as going straight into the Pi. I just got it on the side. Turn our radio on. This particular radio does not have a speaker. It does not have a microphone in it, as you've seen in my videos. I'm going to grab another one of my radios here, and we're going to go into frequency. I'm using 467, and I was too close to it. You can't get too close to it. Obviously, it locks it out. Let's see. Let me think. I'm thinking. Hold on. I want
4, 6, 2, 5, 0. Menu.
And on this particular radio, I have other things set up, so we're gonna go in and set it up. 141.3. Enter. That's menu number 13. You can see it in the top right corner. I need to go to the receive. Same thing. 141.3. Enter. Now I'm going to go to menu 25. Turn my frequency direction to positive. Exit out. I got to back away so I don't mess up my radio. Okay, that was hearing it. I got a little whine in this because I got the radio wires all exposed. Apologies for that, but that's just the way it comes out right now. It won't do that later. So I'm going to use a tone and connect to one of my networks. I hit the wrong button. Uh-oh, why is it not working?